Hi guys! If you've been watching my videos, alam nyong nag-upload ako before ng Security Bank app overview. On this video, we're gonna talk about yung bagong Security Bank mobile app. So kung meron na kayo ng old app, all you need to do is open it. Tapos may lalabas na message na meron na silang bagong mobile app. So just download the app. So, ang difference ng icon nila before and ngayon is may sparkle yung logo. So, download lang natin. And there you go. Click next, and then register. Continue tayo. And select a registration method. So, for me, meron akong savings account dito. So, yung first option yung pipiliin ko. So, if meron kayong credit card or investment account, pwede nyo gamitin to register. And then, input account number, mobile number, and birthday. And then, click next. Okay, so verify your details kung tama and you'll receive an OTP. Now, kailangan natin mag-create ng username. At least 8 characters, at least 1 uppercase and lowercase letter, at least 1 number, and a special character. Okay, and then click submit. Now, we're already registered. Click OK. Let's log in using our username and password. Input the OTP. And ayan, we need to set up a transaction PIN. Okay, enable biometrics login. Enter our PIN again. And there you go. Ito yung dashboard ng bagong Security Bank app. So, right here, makikita natin yung list of accounts natin. Let's try to click it. So, yung details ng account, makikita dito. Account number, account name, transaction history, account information, like what is the product type, SWIFT code, branch of account, ownership type, ayan. If you want to look at your past statements, pwede din just click this and you can view your statements already. Balik tayo sa dashboard. If you want to open eSecure Savings account, ito yung details and you'll see here kung ano ang interest rates per annum ng eSecure Savings. As low as 0% to 3.5% kung 1 million and up pesos ang laman ng account mo. Transfer money. We can transfer to other banks or other accounts. Select nyo lang kung anong account yung pag-transferan nyo from. Transfer to yung amount and notes as necessary. Pwede nyo din silang i-schedule. Okay, let's go back. Next is pay bills. So, you can also pay your bills through the app. Pipiliin nyo lang kung anong category, kung sa bank, education, finance. Currently, wala tayong mga enrolled billers. Search natin si BDO. Si East-West credit card na lang. So, pwede natin i-select, for example, si East-West. Input lang natin lahat ng details and then submit. So, let's go back. Ganun din for other categories like education, financial services, kunyari itong telco. So, same process. Next is reload mobile. Pwede tayo mag-load dito. Input lang yung mobile number, select yung telco, kung smart, kung globe, talk and text, or whatever. You can also save it para mas madali in the future. Hindi mo na kailangang i-input ulit. Select load amount and then date kung scheduled siya. Okay, next naman is e-give cash. So, ito, super gandang feature ni Security Bank to. I'm gonna talk more about this on the next video. So, stay tuned. Papakita ko kung paano kayo magsasend and magre-receive ng cash through e-give cash. Let's go back. So, dito naman sa baba, pay and transfer. Currently, meron na kasi ako mga saved recipients. These are from other banks, mga accounts sa ibang banks, para hindi ko na kailangan i-input lagi. So, ayan. Just select an account and then, yun, lalabas yung account number, account name, and pwede kayong mag-send to these accounts. And then, dito naman sa services, yun, same makikita nyo, the eSecure Savings, checking and savings naman, madadala kayo sa browser on their website. That will lead you to open a checkings and savings account. Credit card, it will also lead you to their website. Time deposit, UITF, insurance, and loan. So, yan. It will lead you to outside links so you could know more about each product. Other services is view e-statement and then redeem rewards. Okay? Sa settings naman, you can see here the account name, settings within the app. So, dito kayo pwede magpalit ng transaction PIN, change password, show or hide accounts, login, transaction, general settings. By the way, kung kaka-register nyo lang, may temporarily unavailable pa yung ibang features kasi yung account natin is still under cooldown period. Kailangan natin maghintay ng 24 hours before natin ma-access tong mga features na to. And then for notification settings, click nyo lang tong bell sa taas, and yan.
Dito naman sa help and support.
I hope you guys learned something. Thank you for watching this video and see you on the next one. Bye!